Are you the one who takes unlimited risk and still unable to make enough return on capital? We have a solution. Presenting one of the most successful intraday strategy, Bank Nifty Expiry Intraday Strategy. What we have found, 70% of the time, Bank Nifty usually trades sideways. Can we benefit from this sideways movement? Yes. It's simple. Just sell at the money puts and at the money calls. Let's take an example. Suppose Bank Nifty is at 37,000. Then we would sell 37,000 call and 37,000 put and receive that premium. Now when we sell options, we are inviting unlimited risk. Hence, to reduce the risk, we would buy roughly 600 points far away strikes from the spot. In the same example, we also buy 36,400 put and 37,600 call to hedge the position. How do we make money? As soon as the strategy is favorable by 50 points, we exit all the legs. That's it. This strategy we have been running since 10 September 2020 and the performance strike rate till date is 63%. However, one thing to note is that as market continues to evolve, past performance does not mean similar success in the future. We always have been striving to improve our strategies based on prevailing market conditions and retain or improve strategy results. This strategy is available real-time under the research section of Sharekhan app and Trade Tiger. ये expiry strategy कर Sharekhan कर. I hope you like this video. Watch our next video to know more about option selling strategies.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.